What up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Sam, say hi over there.
Hi.
Okay. All right. So, a little bit of change of plans. We decided I had booked this hotel for an extra 3 days prior to finding out what was going on with the van. I just wasn't sure, and I wanted to make sure we had a place to stay. So she told me I could book it 3 days out. She had 3 days available, so I took it. And I paid for it already. So I'm like, screw it. We'll just stay here for the extra 2 days. I can keep Cody here, and we can all go out and, you know, hang out, and Cody has a safe place to stay. So, today, we are going to do a little bit of bowling.
Bowling!
Cody, you want to go bowling? Cody, bowling? Hello? Bowling? Okay. So, last night, I saw Fast Furious 9.
It was horrible.
The first couple were awesome. You know, if you watch those movies or you were into cars or anything, you know, those movies were really good. Were they unrealistic? Yes, hell yes. But now, I'm not going to tell you guys because I want you guys to go watch it. You know, if you're going to go watch it, I'm not going to be a spoiler. But those movies are just they're just so unrealistic, so out there, literally, that, you know, it's just like, all right. And the CGI and everything, it's not great. It's not impressive. So
I feel like they did a Fast 9 just to do a Fast 9. Like there was no real plot or real story or anything.
Yeah.
It was so confusing in the beginning about, I don't want to ruin it, but Vin Diesel as a kid, the whole thing is just weird.
Yeah, and John Cena just popped out of nowhere in this movie.
Yeah.
I don't know.
His dad was
Don't kill it. Don't kill it for them. But yeah, go check it out. I mean, if you've been following the series, you know, go check it out. If you're not,
Once
he might not get it.
died, it just went downhill.
Oh, Brian? Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so go check that out. So today we're gonna go do some bowling tonight. I haven't done any bowling in a long time, but I like bowling. So we're gonna go head out. We're gonna take the Grom. The weather, I don't know. It looks okay. I don't know. Down there it doesn't look too good. But there's the van, by the way. Old Faithful. Oh, let me give you a little bit of an update on the van. So I posted something on, I think Sam's going to do it in a little bit, so I don't know if you saw it yet, but she's going to post it on Instagram, and I posted it to YouTube in the community section if you guys follow that on us. But I did a full synthetic oil change today. I rode to a parking lot, popped it up on a curb, did a full synthetic Castrol GTX, high mileage, full synthetic oil change. I know I said that a million times already. And I substituted a quart. This van takes 5.1 quarts. I substituted a whole quart for Marvel Mystery Oil. And because it has, I don't know, people say it really helps with the lubrication. It says right on the bottle that it could bring up to 25% compression back to the motor. So I don't know, we'll see. So far it hasn't done anything. So I added a quart of that to the oil itself. And I added, on a full tank, we're about 27 gallons full. But you're supposed to add 4 ounces for every 10 gallons. So I added a little bit extra, I guess just for a little kick. But I put 12 ounces in the fuel system because it's supposed to clean the lifters and the rest of the top of the cylinders and everything. So it's pretty much getting it clean all around. I don't know if so far, like I said, it hasn't done anything.
I mean, we just did it and we only drove for
about 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So some people say they have instantaneous results, and some people say it takes about 3 hours of actual driving time. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. But so far it's still clanking. You can hear the lifters clanking. Yeah, whatever, man. I'm not gonna let it stop me. Well, it might stop me one day. It might just blow up. Who knows? But anyway, we're gonna go do some bowling. We're gonna go have some fun. You wanna go bowling? Let's go bowling. Woo! All right, we got shoe rentals. Samantha's having a hard time putting her shoes on.
Someone put it in a double knot.
Look at these clown shoes. Yeah, they look dirty in there. Come on, man. And we had to get a super light ball for Samantha because she's a lightweight. She's a weakling. did you win?
You won both games.
Oh, okay. So Samantha bowled a 59 on the last game. The one before that she bowled a 40. And this game I bowled the 95. In the other game I actually did better. I bowled a 125. Oh my god, we're horrible at bowling. Alright, so there's a arcade over here. And we're gonna go play some games. I haven't played some games in a long time. Let's go play. Alright, finished up in the arcade and bowling. I'm tired, my back hurts now. Check out what I got. Sam, show them. I got this sick American flag hacky sack. I haven't played hacky sack. It's a hacky sack. That's what's called, a hacky sack. And then look at this. I got a freaking cue ball, not a cue ball, a pool ball keychain. How freaking cool. And I was supposed to only get 3, but she was super nice and gave me 4. I feel like a little kid. All the little kids in the arcade were looking at me like, you're too old to be in here.
30s and you're playing in here.
I was having a damn blast though. All right, we're gonna hop on a bike and get back home. Holy crap, it is humid. All right, good. So we bring our little bag, we could throw our goodies in there.
Oh, and quick disclaimer, the Disney trip was way before all this stuff happened with the van.
Yeah, I meant to add that in, and then after I compiled it and everything, I totally forgot, so that was my fault. Yeah, the Disney trip was right before I decided to get the van fixed. Yeah. So, sorry about the confusion, my bad, but that was way before. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Thanks for giving me a Jolly Rancher. That's super nice of you.
I don't need you choking while you're riding.
All right, I'll see you guys when we get home. All right, guys, we decided to make a detour. Instead of going home, we are gonna go get some lunch at Shark Pit Bar and Grill. Excited? Oh, yeah. This place is pretty cool. They got live sharks here. They got a whole store. You can rent bikes and electric bikes and a whole bunch of stuff. You can buy, what do you call it? kayaks and stuff. Come on, help me out here a little bit. So we're just waiting for this elevator for the last 20 minutes. It takes a little while, but as soon as we get there, we'll get some food and enjoy some sharks. And now we're in the elevator. Look at that. So they got a whole bunch of stuff here. They even have a Starbucks in this place. It's really nice. Yeah, so these are the bikes you can rent. All the prices. All right, I'm pretty pumped. I'm starving. We're back at the hotel, and we're laying in bed here. It never fails. I don't know if you guys heard about recently there was a building in Florida, a condo, that part of it, like a third of it or more, just collapsed out of nowhere, and it killed a lot of people. There's about 150 people missing. It's a really big, like, talk of the town thing down here. It's really sad. And anyway. So I'm kind of nervous about that, just being in here. And look at it. I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's a line from here all the way to the wall now. Our ceiling is pouring with water. It's all over the ground.
We were hearing something.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's coming straight from that ceiling. There's a bead of water, and there's a huge crack in the ceiling. And honestly, somebody's tub probably overflowed or something. And I don't know if the weight is pushing down on it, but I'm waiting for a freaking tub to fall through this damn roof. So I called the guy. He's going to move us to another room. So I got to pack up all my crap and move it to another room. I was just getting comfortable in bed. All right, we're going to move. I just thought I'd show you guys that. It never fails. There's always something going on this channel. All right, guys. We are in a new room. We are on the 5th floor family suite, and it's pretty nice. They call it a beach view. I don't know if you guys will be able to see outside. Let me see. But straight out there, past all those buildings, is the beach. So you really can't see the beach, but you're looking in the beach direction. And then in this room,
the lights don't work.
Yeah. Oh, the lights don't work. I'm not coming back to this damn hotel. Anyway. It's a family suite, so they got two more
Show them the moon.
2 more beds. Yeah, you can't really see it with this camera because it doesn't zoom.
No, you gotta go into the other one.
You can see it just as good. The moon's in the top right corner over there. It's really nice in person. I am exhausted. We have a doctor's appointment at 9 o'clock in the morning. We gotta be there.
2 appointments.
2 appointments. So we gotta get to bed. So I'm gonna close.
The first one.
Yeah. So I'm going to close this video out. I hope you guys are all doing great. A lot better than we are tonight. And we'll see you guys. Yeah. And we'll see you guys tomorrow on the road.